Hi guys, good morning. My name is Ron. I would like to inform you that the 21 IPP is the easiest and very affordable joining fee in the world in networking. Why? Because $21 is so easy to sell. Compare to selling cars, selling natural products or makeups. $21 very easy to offer to people. Very affordable to everybody, right? And every time you register 21 IPP on your left and 21 IPP on your right. Congratulations, you will get paid $10 every time you have one pair. That is your lifetime earnings. You will only pay one time, and we will give you a lifetime earnings that every time you have one pair, whether those people joining on your team on your left or joining on your right team, the system will pay you $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10. And every time that you have fourth pair, your fourth pair will be deducted and paid to your dream iPhone 16 Pro Max or dream Samsung or dream LG phones or dream Nokia phones. Amazing. So every time, if you have one pair, you will earn that. Your second pair will be paid to you. Your third pair will be paying to you. Your fourth pair will be deducted to your dream mobile phones. Amazing. So on your fifth pair, you will get paid. Six, you will get paid. 7, you will get paid. On your eighth pair, it will be deducted again to your dream Samsung phone or to your dream iPhone phones. Very nice and very beautiful program of 21 IPP. This 21 IPP is very affordable. Okay, that's why join now and start building your team. All you need to do is just teach your team to refer 2 friends each. Very easy. 2 friends each is very easy. Okay? So guys, don't think it twice. Join now. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.